the mass amount of work that goes in here is noticed by everybody.
Our community and even surrounding communities here in Northwest Indiana for having something as great as a bicentennial train in town.
Walking through the train exhibit and being able to identify some of the photos from their town back then is very exciting for most people.
Within the community, you need to get the word out. If you think that knowing a little bit about Indiana history is important, then I think that's the kind of person that's going to step forward and do this.
This railroad connected us with a whole bunch of other areas we never had the opportunity before.
It was a great experience. Really liked looking at scenes from long ago of people who made a difference, of people who simply lived good lives as Hoosiers here in the Hoosier State.
I think families today are looking for ways to do things with their children, and that's something that's not really expensive.
The fact that this was a free field trip was just a great opportunity for the kids.
The kid reactions, I think, are part of the fuel here just to keep going and knowing that these kids are having a wonderful time.